This one must have got an injury. She's all bandaged. Yeah, maybe it's just an oil leak. Don't know what the purpose of the cloth is for. See where it had the cloth on it. Maybe it's an oil leak. Oh, would you come out? May just be the seal. She's a bit light in the grease anyway. So that is to engage your drill. So we'll have to see where the actual rotation lock is. And this brand Jefferson is not going to be a high-end brand. It's more budget friendly. If you're needing a hammer or a mixing drill but you're not using it all the time, it grants that sort of stuff, but it's not going to be good enough for constant everyday kind of use. But for the money, they're decent enough. Right, I think this has just all been stemmed back to the grease. Leaking out, so there's no grease in this at all. I'll see if I can get an oil seal now for the front of this hammer. Put a lip seal underneath. See if I can get one of these lip seals. One new oil seal. Now, this is still hammering fine. Tested before I started here. Hammer's fine on it. So I don't need to do anything to the O-rings here. But I do need to top up the grease. Get this rebuilt. Give it a test out. Main thing is just a seal for the front. That should sort it. Reuse the same wee felt sleeve. That's only just to stop the dirt getting into and on this here lip seal. Line this back up onto the piston. That's her. now this can go on. That's her.